Guys, the whales are right now making their moves, anticipating the big move that is about to happen this Friday. Guys, today I'm going to update you about what's been going on here. I'm going to give you the latest about what's going on the charts, give you an update on this massive trend shift that is about to happen. So guys, make sure to stick around. This is an important video. So welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, before we get into the chart, a little bit of a push. If you're interested about what's going on in my life and want to get to know me more, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at the top of the description. Click on this link right here. So with that said, guys, let's talk about what's been going on in the crypto space here for the last 24 hours since I last made a video. So what we can see is that we did have a pullback, and we pulled back actually almost to the edge of the orange box here on the downside. So yeah, so far this is interesting because on the way up we broke, we had some turbulence right here on the edge of the orange box. But all in all, we broke above it, but we've been finding support multiple times here now on the edge of the top of the orange box here, but also inside of the box. There's just heavy buying pressure coming in. As soon as we go down into this box, you can see that people just start buying this like crazy, buying it up, and it happens really fast. Bitcoin pumps and we close above here. So you can see that this has happened multiple times here actually. Buyers step in, step up, buying Bitcoin, pushing it up higher. So let's see for how much longer this orange box can hold, because if you look at something like this, you can see that we have a little bit of a trend line happening here. So sooner rather than later, we're going to have to make a decision. We're either going to have to break this to the upside, or we need to break the orange box to the downside. And this is actually also something you saw here previously with consolidation here above the orange line here, and then finally after having some pullbacks you found momentum and we took off to the upside. So let's see if that is going to be the case here moving forward for Bitcoin as well. Now the massive trend shift we are talking about here is on the, of course, weekly time frame for the traditional markets. And I've been talking about how important this is, that if we close a candle like this above the red line here, that is bullish for the traditional markets, very bullish. This is on the weekly time frame, just like I said. This has been forming since 2021 actually. So yeah, this is important. If we manage to close above it, it is going to signal more bullishness into the market. So we're keeping an eye on this. There's still some days left. So there's still enough time for this to pull back and close below. So we have to be cautious about that. But so far so good. Let's see where this is going to close. I will keep you updated as usual. And guys, I want to show you this on-chain chart. So what this is showing us is the blue line is the long-term holders realized price. The red one is short-term holders realized price. And then you have the Bitcoin price in general realized price right here. So basically what this is showing us is that out of the people who have been holding Bitcoin for a long time, how much have they been paying for their Bitcoin? Same for people who just bought Bitcoin. How much have they been paying and how much in profit are they? So what you can see right now is that you have the short-term holder price right here. You have the median or average right here in orange. You have the long-term holder price right here. We just crossed the long-term holder price. So long-term holders just got profitable again here, as you can see. Now, what's interesting is that you saw this exact same kind of thing here in 2019. So you did have us crossing the short-term holders, average, and then the long-term holders right here after forming a little bit of a consolidation, a long-term consolidation at a bottom. So I believe that this is a long-term consolidation at the bottom as well. So we're seeing similar things happen here. So this led into a rally for Bitcoin. Is the same thing going to happen? Let me know down in the comment section what you believe. Now, I need to give you an important update because we've been talking about this Friday having massive amounts of Bitcoin expiring on the options market. So basically what this means is that $1.4 billion worth of Bitcoin is up for grabs basically. Well, not exactly, but that is what has been betted on the market right here. So people have been betting on Bitcoin being higher or lower than a particular price. It's pretty even. 35,000 Bitcoin being bet on the price being higher. 30,000 Bitcoin being bet on the price being lower. So you have massive amounts of options that are expiring this Friday. And what we can see right now is that during the last 24 hours, we have seen a massive amount of bets also on the futures market. So people are betting on massive moves here happening very soon. In fact, the amount of Bitcoin you see right now being bet on the futures market in the last 24 hours, we've not seen this since the all-time high right here. You can see this orange peak and the FTX collapse right here. Okay, so we haven't really been at these points previously apart from those two occasions. And as you know, those were two occasions we saw massive amounts of swings to the up and to the downside. So we need to keep an eye on this, guys. The whales are putting in their bets. They are betting on this Friday. So we will see what's going to happen. Maybe nothing is going to happen, but you need to be prepared for whatever is to come. I will keep you up to date as usual. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Guys, that's what I got for you today. I hope that you are enjoying this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.